What's going on, everyone? Just got this Honda Fourstroke 25 horsepower. Today we're going to be replacing the lower unit oil on it, and I'm going to be showing you what we need in order to do this. What you'll need in order to do this is you'll need a pan to drain the oil in. You're going to need oil to replace the oil you drain with a pump. You're going to need a rag and a screwdriver. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay, up next what you want to do is get the motor set at an even level. You want it to be even, so whenever you drain it, everything comes out, and when you refill it, you'll have accurate levels. Up under the motor, you'll have a flathead screwdriver fitting right here and one right here. What you want to do is do the bottom one first. Let's see if we can get this. 1 second. Okay, we have the bottom plug off, and this oil looks awful. It should not look like that. Good thing we're replacing this. So once you get the bottom plug off, a little bit's going to come out. You get the top plug off and it should all just spill out. Okay, we got the top plug out. Now you can see how much faster it's coming out. We're just going to let this drain for a little bit and then refill it. All right, she looks to be bone dry. Let's get this pump attached in the bottom one, and then we will have her going. Okay, everyone, so we have our attachment on there. Let's go ahead and put this into our oil. Screw it on there tight. Now we have this top plug still off the motor. That's going to tell us whenever the lower unit is full. But what we do now is the easy part, kind of the fun part. It's my favorite part, is we just sit here and pump. Whenever we see it spill out of this top hole, that's when we'll put the top bolt in here. We'll pull this out and then we'll plug it. So we're just sitting here pumping until we see oil come out of here. Oh, there it is. What you want to do is keep pumping, get the air bubbles out, get the old oil out. See, look, the new oil, the old oil. You want to pump it out a little bit. We have all the air bubbles out, all the garbage. Now we're good to go. Let's go ahead and get the top plug on there. Then we'll detach that, put the new plug in there. Another important thing to note is to always check your oil for water, gray stuff. This was blue, darker oil, so everything was fine. There was no metal shavings, no glitter or anything in it. Smooth as a whistle. Thanks for watching, everyone.